What's up YouTube, this is Print Practical. I picked up this sweet 13.5 amp Rototiller off of Facebook Marketplace for $50. As you can see from Home Depot's website, this bad mamma jamma is worth $189. So $50 ain't bad. The only thing that's wrong with it is that the handle broke off. The previous owner claimed that he backed into it with his zero turn and it broke the handle off. So let's take this bad boy apart, see if we can print out a new handle to make this thing functional again. Okay, so in order to get this to work again, I just have to redraw this handle. There's another modification I might do while I'm in here. This unit has a safety right here. See that pushing through? And that pushes this white plastic piece down in order to allow the handle to engage the switch to turn on the rototiller. My dad has a very similar rototiller, and that is by far one of the most annoying pieces when you're really trying to till it up and you have to keep pressing that button to turn it on. So first we're going to start off by drawing the handle, make sure that works, and then maybe we will do modification so that the safety doesn't work anymore. So let's get into it. So I'm pretty lucky that the owner kept the piece of the handle that broke off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue them together to put it back together, and then I'll take all my measurements, draw up the new handle, then we'll get it on the printer, and then we'll go reassemble it, try it out. So here's the original handle super glued together. So just a quick check-in, because this is such a complicated piece here, I wanted to just print out this instead of printing out the full handle and make sure that I am pretty close. I tried installing this piece into the rototiller, and the only problem I had was this piece right here, this width, was slightly too thick, so I needed to shrink that down by about 1 millimeter. And then it matches up very, very closely, and it's enough to work. So next we're going to finish out the rest of the handle piece, and then we'll print it out and see how it works. So we're printing out the first revision of the handle. Let's switch our focus over to the safety. So what happens here is when you push that button on the side of the handle, it pushes this down and allows the handle to make contact with this piece to give it the extra leverage to push into the switch. So I'm thinking I'm going to draw up this same exact thing, but with this permanently down. That way we can get rid of the safety feature. Okay, it's a new day and the handle has printed. It looks pretty much identical. I printed it out with 4 walls and at an 80% fill, so it's pretty strong. So we're gonna get this installed. I also have the safety piece. Here's the fresh one that has this in the lockdown position. And let's get these pieces installed and see if it works. The moment of truth, no safety. We're good to go. Let's power it on, make sure it works. All right, so this worked out great. You know, this was a $50 unit, it retails for $189, and the guy only used it for about an hour before he broke the handle off, so this was an awesome deal. Took me about an hour and a half worth of design, and I printed out, I don't know, like 2 or 3 prototypes of different pieces of the handle and stuff, but really worked out. As you can see, when I was using it, this thing bounces around a lot, and the handle felt solid. I'll keep you up to date if the handle lasts. So until next time, thanks for watching.